Hey guys, welcome back to Shoney Small Engines. Just got this John Deere in here for a service. Needed a little tune-up. Have it running pretty well. But the problem with it is now that the drive doesn't work. So when I engage the drive wheels to run, nothing really happens. So it was a very simple thing on in this case to diagnose. You can see that the cable snap tip here at the handle. So you can see there's nothing attached here, so that this piece broke. Now I've seen people do like temporary fixes with like zip ties and stuff, but I'll show you where to get this cable and how to replace it. First thing I want to do is I got to get down here to get to this cable, and I'll show you how to remove this cover and what to do up top there. So let's get started by getting this off. So this cover, some may have a nut here, but this one comes with a little nozzle here that screws off. Push down here and then lift off. All right, usually you're going to get a lot of leaves and grass in here. It's a good idea to keep this clean. It'll hold moisture and also make your paint peel and stuff. So right here is the cable, as you can see. So to get this cable off, we just got to loosen these two 1/2-inch nuts. Just got to loosen this just enough to slide this cable out. There we go. And then down here, we can reach underneath, pull that guy out like that. And then here comes your cable. Okay, now we got to get to the top. Now, we come in here, we got two T30 Torx bit screws. Pull those off. Don't lose the nuts on the back side. All right, and right here you can see your cable. We just got to pop this guy out. All right, so this cable is going to press in right there. All right, and then we're going to hook that to the end there. I'm going to put this handle right back on. Again, don't push the nuts off the back end. Just going to make sure everything lines up here. There we go. All right, want to make sure that these still move. They don't pinch anything in there. All right, you got your choke and your speed adjuster. I just want to make sure that this goes up and down. It does. Okay, so let's go back down to the bottom and get the bottom hooked up. I'm going to drop this down. Hopefully you can see this, but this is going to drop down here. I'm going to come underneath. Here we go. Come up here a little bit, make sure that that's nice and loose. I'm going to tighten these. I think I need to give a little more slack. There we go. I'm just going to finger tighten this, and I'm going to pull the lever, and I'm going to see if this tightens down. Okay, good. So I need a little more slack. These cables are usually a little on the tight side in the beginning because you're going to get some stretch over time, which you'll eventually adjust. Also, your belt's going to stretch a little bit too. Let me try that quick. All right, that's good. I like that. Let's tighten this down. Should have a little bit of slack in there, like that. And we'll get the cover on. This cable over here goes to your clutch engagement. And then this one comes up at the back here. There we go. Remember, we got this little nut right here that tightens down. That's it. I'm going to start this, and let's make sure that these wheels turn. All right, guys, thanks for watching. That's it for that. Make sure if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. Make sure you like, subscribe. Check out some of these other videos, and there's a subscribe button. Catch you guys next time.